Let's talk about fat, the unsung hero of survival. In the world of prepping, we often focus on stockpiling grains, beans, and canned goods, but fat is the real powerhouse that often gets overlooked. For years, fat's been unfairly blamed for health woes, with headlines warning us to avoid it at all costs. But when a crisis hits, fat quickly becomes your best friend, offering benefits that go far beyond just calories. Fat is the most calorie-dense fuel you can store, over twice the energy of carbs or protein. Just 1 gram of fat packs a whopping 9 calories, compared to only 4 in carbs or protein. That means you can store more energy in less space, crucial when every inch of your pantry counts. When you're chopping wood, hauling water, or braving the elements, those extra calories keep you moving, fueling your muscles and helping you power through long, demanding days. But fat isn't just fuel. It's essential for absorbing vitamins A, D, E, and K, crucial for immunity, vision, and bone health. Without enough fat, your body can't unlock these vital nutrients, no matter how many veggies you eat. Your brain? Nearly 60% fat. It needs dietary fats for sharp thinking, stable mood, and quick decision-making, vital in high-stress situations where every choice matters. Without healthy fats, you risk brain fog, low energy, and poor decisions. In survival, mental clarity can be just as important as physical strength. Stocking fat isn't just about calories, it's about mental clarity, resilience, and keeping your body and mind in top shape when it matters most. Fat also makes food taste better and keeps you full longer. A little oil or butter can transform a bland meal into something comforting and delicious, lifting your spirits when times are tough. Even a small amount of fat turns basic survival meals into something satisfying, making it easier to stick to your food stores and avoid burnout. That boost in morale can make tough times more bearable, helping you and your loved ones stay positive and connected. In survival, fat isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for energy, health, and sanity. It's the secret ingredient that keeps you going when the going gets tough. Don't fear fat. Embrace it as your survival ally. Make it a cornerstone of your prepping strategy. It's the difference between just getting by and truly thriving, both physically and mentally, no matter what challenges you face. So, when you're building your pantry, make fat a priority. Stock up on a variety of healthy oils, butters, and animal fats to cover all your bases. Your body and mind will thank you, rewarding you with strength, clarity, and the resilience to weather any storm. Building a prepper's pantry means choosing the right fats for the job. There are 2 main groups: plant-based oils and animal-based fats. Coconut oil is the long-term storage champ, stable and versatile. Olive oil brings flavor and health benefits, but needs careful storage. Avocado oil and palm shortening are also solid plant-based options. On the animal side, lard and tallow are traditional, calorie-dense, and last when rendered properly. Ghee, clarified butter, offers a long shelf life and high smoke point. Your choices depend on your cooking style, budget, and storage space. Don't pick just one. Diversify for flexibility and resilience. A mix of plant and animal fats gives you options for any scenario. Next, let's break down the top contenders for your pantry. Coconut oil is a prepper's dream fat, prized for its versatility and reliability in any situation. Its high saturated fat content, mostly medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, makes it incredibly stable, even in fluctuating temperatures. That means a long shelf life. Unopened, it can last 2 to 5 years, sometimes even longer if stored in a cool, dark place. Virgin coconut oil has a distinct coconut flavor and aroma, while refined is neutral, making it better for versatile cooking and recipes where you don't want added taste. Refined coconut oil is usually the practical choice for preppers, since it blends seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. It's solid at room temperature, so it won't spill, is easy to handle, and can be measured out by the spoonful without mess. Use it for frying, baking, sautéing, or as a butter substitute in recipes. It's perfect for everything from stir-fries to homemade bread. Add it to oatmeal or coffee for a calorie boost, or blend it into smoothies for extra energy and creaminess. Beyond food, it's a skin moisturizer, hair conditioner, soap base, and even seasons cast iron. It's a true multi-purpose staple for health and home. Its versatility and long shelf life easily justify its place in any long-term pantry, whether you're preparing for emergencies or everyday use. In a world where every item must earn its keep, coconut oil is a non-negotiable asset, reliable, adaptable, and always ready. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it fat, requiring little maintenance and offering big returns. If you stock only one fat, make it coconut oil. Its uses go far beyond the kitchen. It's the backbone of a resilient pantry and a true tropical titan you'll be glad to have on hand. Olive oil, often called the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, brings both rich flavor and essential health benefits to your pantry. For centuries, it has been a staple in Mediterranean diets, prized for its versatility and nourishing qualities. Packed with monounsaturated fats, olive oil is heart-healthy and supports good cholesterol. However, it's more prone to spoilage than coconut oil, so proper storage is key to preserving its quality and taste. Always choose extra virgin olive oil in dark bottles or tins, as these protect the oil from damaging light and help maintain its delicate flavors. Don't forget to check the harvest date on the label. Freshness truly matters for both taste and nutrition. When stored unopened, olive oil can last up to 24 months. But once you break the seal, aim to use it within a few months for the best flavor and health benefits. Store your olive oil in a cool, dark place, never near the stove or in direct sunlight, to prevent it from going rancid. Opting for smaller bottles helps minimize oxygen exposure, keeping your oil fresher for longer and reducing waste. Why bother with olive oil? Its powerful antioxidants and robust flavor can transform even the blandest survival meals into something special, making every bite more enjoyable. Just a simple drizzle can elevate beans, rice, or bread, adding richness and boosting morale during tough times. Olive oil is perfect for making dressings, finishing dishes, or simply adding a touch of comfort to your food. In challenging moments, olive oil offers a taste of normalcy and tradition, bringing comfort and familiarity to your table. Keep a small, rotating supply of olive oil in your pantry, not just for nutrition, but also for the comfort and joy it brings to every meal. Lard and tallow, old-school animal fats, are making a comeback. Lard, pork, and tallow, beef, mutton, are stable, calorie-dense, and solid at room temp. Rendering removes spoilage-prone bits, giving you pure fat that lasts for years if stored right. Lard is unbeatable for flaky pie crusts and biscuits. Tallow shines in high-heat frying and adds rich flavor. Both are great for sautéing, roasting, and seasoning cast iron. If you raise or hunt animals, rendering your own fat boosts self-sufficiency. Animal fats turn waste into a valuable, shelf-stable resource. They're not just ingredients, they're a link to traditional, sustainable living. Add them to your pantry for versatility and resilience. When stocking fats, focus on calories, shelf life, and cost. All pure fats deliver about 9 calories per gram, energy-dense and efficient. Refined coconut oil leads in shelf life, 2 to 5 years unopened. Properly rendered lard and tallow last 1 to 2 years or more. Ghee is also long-lasting. Olive oil is the most perishable, up to 24 months unopened, less once opened. For value, lard and tallow are cheapest if you render them yourself. Bulk coconut oil is affordable and reliable. High-quality olive oil is pricier, but worth it for flavor. The best strategy? Diversify coconut oil as your base. Lard for baking, olive oil for taste. This combo covers all your culinary and survival needs. Build a fat portfolio that's robust, versatile, and cost-effective. Great fats are useless if they spoil. Storage is everything. The enemies: oxygen, light, and heat. Store fats in a cool, dark, dry place. Basement or deep pantry is ideal. For oils, choose dark glass or metal tins to block light. Decant large bottles into smaller ones to reduce air exposure. Always seal tightly after use. For solid fats, glass jars are best, non-porous and pest-proof. If rendering your own, Use sterilized jars and consider a wax seal or vacuum sealing. Protect your stash from rodents. Store on sturdy shelves or in bins. Organization helps you track what you have and prevents waste. Proper storage keeps your fats fresh and ready when you need them. Treat your fat supply like the valuable resource it is. Your pantry isn't a museum. Rotate your fats with FIFO. First in, first out. Use the oldest stock first to avoid waste. Mark purchase or expiration dates clearly on every container. Place new items behind older ones on the shelf. Store what you eat. Eat what you store. Don't buy fats your family won't use. Regularly cook with your stored fats. Stir fry with coconut oil. Bake with lard. Dress salads with olive oil. This keeps your supply fresh and familiar. Always sniff before use. Rancid fat smells stale or waxy. Discard anything off. Active rotation is quality control for your pantry. It turns your fat supply into a dynamic, reliable resource. Don't let your investment go to waste. Use and replenish regularly. That's the secret to a trustworthy survival pantry. What's the bottom line? Build a fat fortress with layers of defense. Start with refined coconut oil. Long shelf life, versatility, and value. Add lard and tallow for baking, frying, and self-sufficiency. Include a rotating supply of high-quality olive oil for flavor and morale. Each fat brings unique strengths. Combine them for resilience. Store smart, rotate often, and use what you store. This diversified approach ensures you're ready for any crisis. Your fat supply becomes a foundation for energy, health, and comfort. Don't settle for just surviving. Thrive with a robust, well-managed pantry. That's true prepper food security.